Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing our lap belt bracket for the C8 Corvette. This can be used in conjunction with our harness bar to allow you to put a 4-point harness in your C8. Let's get to the install. All right, so with our bracket here, these are 7/16 by 20 threaded ends, and you can do a couple things depending on your harness style. If it's the one that just has the eyelet, you can physically just bolt them to the end here with whatever hardware you decide to choose, as long as it's 7/16 by 20. Or if you purchase our 4-point Sparco, it comes with the eyelets. These eyelets are going to just thread into the end on both sides, and you'll just thread them down until they're tight. You'll bottom them out, and then you'll want to take some sort of device. I usually just use an extension, and you can put it in there and then be able to physically pull that tight. You want it tight so it'll never come loose on you. We're just using the quick connect ones, so these actually will just clip on here, and you always want to make sure it's clipped in a way that when it pulls, it's always pulling the bolt tighter, never going to pull the bolt loose. So these will just clip on here. And then on these particular harnesses, there's a hole here, and it comes with a pin that you can install through there. You can get these harnesses on our website. That pin just locks that, so it'll never be able to come off of there. Let's get to actually putting the bracket in the car. All right, so we'll open the door. All right, so we're gonna start in here. We're gonna pull the floor mat up here first. Just tuck it up out of the way. And then you've got a 15mm nut on both sides on the front seat. We don't need to remove these, we just need to loosen them a good bit. Now we've got those loose, now we just need to move the seat forward. Next, we're gonna undo these two 15mm nuts on the back side of the seat. We're gonna have to take those completely off. Set this down in here. We're gonna grab the seat. We're gonna lift it up off of those studs. And then this will actually slide underneath and over those studs for the seat. You can set the seat right back down on top of its studs and then reinstall those bolts. Now we'll move the seat back to the original position. And if you put belts in, guide them up through so they come up through this slot here. And then we just retorque these bolts up front. There you go guys, simple install. Don't forget to put your floor mat back in place and clip it down. Also don't forget to take a look at our harness bar so you can have the whole package, get that 4-point harness in there so you can drive your car a lot faster. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.